because I'm going to be trying to do 4 looks in one video, I will not change clothes. You may see some accessories change and my hair might change, but I picked this jean shirt and this white undertop just because that's kind of a neutral thing, and any look that I do will definitely go with a blue jean outfit, because like jean goes with everything. So if you guys are trying to clock me like you didn't even change clothes, it's about the eye look, the makeup look, not the full dress and all get up look. So let's not focus on that, okay? Let's just focus on the eye looks today. All right, for real, let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Raw, back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title down below, I'm going to be trying out a new brand to me called Docolor. I saw them on Instagram and I saw this neon brush kit that like really caught my eye, and I was like, oh snaps, I want those brushes. But then I checked into the website and I found something even more exciting to me. These 6 eyeshadow palettes, and these guys are in the colors of the Infinity Stone. So like, yes, right up my alley. So yes, Marvel related type video, which is hence why I have my Marvel book in the background. You guys will probably see that every time I do a Marvel video, as well as anything of me just talking about Marvel. That book will probably be in there. But these eyeshadow palettes, which are bigger than I thought for sure. I thought they were going to be the size of the Huda, those Obsession eye palettes that they have, but these are actually pretty big. Like the Huda Obsessions, like this small for 27 bucks each. These are this big for $10.99. But I bought them as a set and I got them on sale. The original price for the whole set would have been $65.99 or $65.94, something like that. But I got these on sale for $49.99, and then I had a coupon that was an additional 20% off. So yeah, I got these on a good sale, and if you guys want to check these out, I mean, we'll see how the quality holds up, but if you guys just want to get these for the heck of the packaging, because they're so beautiful, and like their theme is just like, I'm absolutely already in love with the theme. Like, this is so cool. Attached to these eyeshadow palettes, or this package of eyeshadow palettes, they had this brush collection set. And if you guys know what the symbol is, you still know it's Marvel related. This is the Captain Marvel symbol. She is not one of my favorite Marvel characters whatsoever, but the brush set does have a Marvel type theme to it, so that was pretty cool. And I was like, what? I gotta get these. I posted on my social media maybe a couple weeks ago, and I told people to just go ahead and list 3 to 4 colors, and I'll create a look with those 3 to 4 colors. Said I was going to start off with these 4, so I'm going to try to do 4 looks in one video. So it's just going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot, but I'm going to try to get these done, and I'm going to try to use these palettes and these palettes only, and hopefully the quality is good enough. If not, I will stop mid-movie or mid-video and we would do something else. The first look that was requested was brown, orangish, gold, and yellowish. So for this eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Soul palette, which is the orange palette, and the Mind palette, which is the yellow palette.
I know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good in my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle. She was my heart. I don't know the tribe or the fall. By default, she don't think of me. I thought she was an Indian. She be slanging things like a Simeon. All my life I want to be an Indian. Now she's far away, but I had to know. Check this out. I know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good for my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle.
Due to it taking forever and a day to get all that glitter off of my eyes carefully and off of my face, and the fact that I still have glitter specks all over my face, which you guys will probably see sparkle throughout this video, I'm not going to be using the pressed glitters in the rest of these looks. I'm going to just try to use the shimmers or whatever, but I don't think I'm going to use the glitter again for any of these looks because I have glitter over my face and it's so hard to get off. But I think I did a good job. I just don't want any of the glitter to end up in my eyes, which it's like sitting on my lashes. It's just like, hey, we gonna creep in, and I'm like, please don't. So I'm just gonna be very careful without using the glitters, if that's okay with you guys. But if you guys do want to see more looks with the glitter in each palette or from any of the palettes, just let me know which palettes you guys want to see down below with glitter. But as far as doing 3 more looks using glitter, I don't think that's gonna happen. So we shall move on to the next look. The next look was requested. It said anything with teal. So I'm going to be using the Time palette, which is the green palette, and the Space palette, which is the blue palette.
I know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good to my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle. She was my heart. I don't know the tribe or the fall, but by default, she don't think of me. I thought she wasn't in the end. She be slanging things like a simian. All my life I want a million in the end. Now she's far away, but I had to know. Check this out. I know you see.
The next up request was something with green. So for this one, I'm just gonna use the Time palette.
She was my heart. I don't know the tribe or the fall, but by default, she don't think of me. I thought she wasn't in the end. She be slanging things like a simian. All my life I want a million in the end. Ooh, girl, let me in. In the street with a wedding ring, and she hit the box, did he bake? Are you down the cheek? He looked in the eye, chivalry. Is he really good? He pulled out a tip. Jumping right on them, thinking really good to end the pain and the lobster. Also to the world and the girls and the posters. Entertain, I doubt it'll pay and it cost her. I ain't mad at me, but I hurt. And I thought she wasn't in the end.
And last up for this last request of this video, the request says blue, pink, gray, and purple. So I'm going to be using the Power and the Space palette, which are the purple and blue. And if I need something else, a little bit dab of something else, I will use the Reality palette, which is the red palette.
Real good to my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle. She was my heart. I don't know the tribe or the fall, but by default, she don't think of me. I thought she wasn't in the end. She be slanging things like a simian. All my life I want a million in the end. Ooh, girl, let me in. In the street with a wedding ring, and she hit the box, did he bake? Are you down the cheek? He looked in the eye, chivalry. Is he really good? He pulled out a tip. Jumping right on them, thinking really good to end the pain and the lobster. Also to the world and the girls and the posters. Entertain, I doubt it'll pay and it cost her. I ain't mad at me, but I hurt. And I thought she wasn't in the now she only worried about the Benjamin.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments down below which one was your favorite look. How did I do with these looks? Like I said, these were random requests. I gave people an idea of just give me 3 to 4 colors and I'll create a look with it. So I just did what I had to do. Also, side note, something I learned about my eyes in this video is that this hooded eye is way deeper than this hooded eye. So when I was doing my cut crease with the glitter on this side for this look, I noticed that like no matter how hard I was trying to make them even, it just wouldn't go even, so I just gave up. So that's why this side looks a little bit wonky, but pigmentation was definitely there on all 6 palettes. Like I didn't have a problem with any palette. I had so much fun doing these looks. I had so much fun using these amazing, absolutely amazing palettes. I cannot emphasize, and I'm not just saying that because they're Marvel typed theme. No, these are absolutely amazing palettes. You guys saw the pigmentation. You guys saw the colors show up on me, and colors on a dark skinned person, I mean, it takes a lot to build them up, but no, these were there from the get-go. So easy to blend. The shimmers were so beautiful. The glitters were beautiful too. I just didn't use all the glitters, but the glitters that I used from the orange and the yellow palette were absolutely amazing. They just took forever, and they're still taking forever to get off. Like, there's still specks of glitter on my face from the first look. I would also recommend the brushes as well. The brush set that you guys saw that I used the brushes, and it was just amazing. I did wipe them off in between looks and in between like transitioning shades. Overall, I'm happy with all 6 of these palettes. Like I said, the packaging is so fail. The packaging is so cool to me. It's absolutely the best, and it's the coolest thing to me. Also, if you guys want to see me use one of the palettes just by themselves, like I did with the green look, just use just the green palette, please go ahead and put that down below, and I will try. And if you guys want to see how the other pressed glitters work, please let me know that in the comments down below, and I will try to get that video out as well. 4 looks in a day was challenging, and I hope I made this video quick enough for you guys. I hope it wasn't too long for you guys, but it took me a while to record all these, so I really would appreciate the likes, and I really would appreciate the shares. I really appreciate if you subscribe. I usually don't push for that, but like, you know, it took me a lot, so at least for this video you can go ahead and just push it out. And if you guys want to check out some of my other videos, please go ahead and do that too. But I am your girl, J Ross. Thank you so much for watching, and I hopefully will catch you guys in my next one. Peace. These palettes are gorgeous, and these palettes are just like, it's a beautiful array of colors, and it was absolutely fun doing the looks. And yeah, would I do these looks again? Of course I would. Of course I would. Like, I'm so okay, so that's it. Now I can sign up, and I'm good. I think that's all I had to say.